Hello there! Today we are going to cut various shapes. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see multiple instructions right here. We are going to learn how to cut a square, triangle, circle and semicircle. Let's see what are the materials required for this one. We will require craft paper, scissor, pencil and ruler. Let's get going with the activity now. So let's take a paper at first and then take a scale. Mark a point at 18 centimeter and then make a sleeping line on this paper. Something like this. Now mark points at every 4 centimeter and make standing lines. So here we are making a rectangle of 18 centimeter by 4 centimeter. The next thing we do is cut this nicely. Hold your scissor carefully, keep it away from your body and start cutting this paper. That is lovely. Go ahead by cutting this very slowly and right on top of the line. Are you able to cut properly? That's amazing. Keep the scissor right on top of the drawn part and open and close it nicely. Now keep one paper on top of another, something like this. And then let's fold it from the center so that the opposite sides are one on top of another. Let's do this one more time and get this crease. And then let's make a standing line right here and on the other side as well. All we have to do is take our scissor and cut it right on top of this. Do you know what will we get? Yes, I want you to guess it. Oh yes, you're right. We are going to get 8 squares. That too in one go. This is amazing. The next thing we do is make the triangles. Let's do the same step once again. Have these two papers together and get it cut into squares, just like how we did above. And then make a diagonal line like this. Let's cut it on top of it. And look at that, we got multiple triangles. If you count them properly, you will see that you got 16 such triangles. Next up, we will go ahead by making circles, for which we are going to repeat the same step, which is taking these two rectangles, cutting them into a square and then making a circle on top of it. Well, just for explanation purpose, we are going to take a stencil, make a circle and make them only on a few parts. But you have to make it on all the parts and cut it together. Let's cut the circle nicely. This looks amazing. If you cut all of these circles properly, you will get 8 circles in total. This is lovely. And now let's take another sheet and make the square, after which we will make the circle on it. And now let's cut this together. Hold your scissor properly so that you can cut right on top of the curve. This is lovely. Now we are going to make a sleeping line right in the center so that we get a beautiful semicircle. Let's cut this into half. That's amazing! We got our semicircles as well. It was so easy to cut various shapes, isn't it? That's lovely!